They're not who we think they are. We don't have to kill them.
I said stop the fight!
Get out of there! Hang on! Wait, hold on here! Hold on here, man!
Hang up!